In a busy city, there lived a young man named Daniel. Life was not easy for him. He worked long hours at a small shop, yet he still struggled to make ends meet. Day after day, he felt invisible, like his efforts were too small to matter in such a big world. One evening, after a particularly difficult day, Daniel walked home in silence. As he passed by a street corner, he saw an old woman sitting alone in the dark, trying to fix a broken lantern. She looked tired, almost hopeless. Daniel reached into his bag and pulled out a small candle he had bought earlier. He lit it and gently handed it to her. The woman's face lit up with gratitude. That small candle gave her comfort, warmth, and light to see the path ahead. Daniel realized something powerful in that moment. Just like the candle, even the smallest act of kindness could brighten someone's darkest night. Days turned into weeks, and Daniel began to see himself differently. He didn't need to change the whole world at once. He only needed to be like that little candle, bringing light, hope and comfort wherever he could. A smile to a stranger, a kind word to a friend, or simply listening to someone who felt alone. These small things began to add up. So when you feel small or insignificant, remember the little candle. You might not realize it, but your presence, your kindness, and your words could be the very light someone else needs to overcome their darkness. Keep shining, no matter how small. Your flame seems, because even one little candle can light the way for many.